steam rising from your coffee cup, a dance only we can hear, slow, tender and sweet. The brushes kiss the snare, and time dissolves like sugar. You laugh behind your sleeve, I melt into your voice. The day hums low and lazy, sunlight folds across our